Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the keyboard on a Dell Latitude E5570. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First loosen screws, then use fingers to separate and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove keyboard bezel. Then disconnect keyboard cables. Now unscrew and remove keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.